analysis. Uh, Hello friends, my name is Vivek and welcome to today's video of forex analysis. This is Euro USD this is weekly chart of Euro USD. So let's draw trend lines. As I have discussed before, this is a overall downtrend, making continuously lower highs and lower lows. And as you can see, this is our trend line, which is a monthly time frame. So we can say the Euro USD is at lower high on the major time frames. So there is a possibility that we may see the fall from this point. Let's go into weekly time frame. So on the weekly, as you can see, this is a shooting star candlestick pattern, and again the body is also red. There is also another red weekly closing. So we can say that overall Euro USD there is a possibility of bearishness in the Euro USD. Let's go into daily time frame. This is continuously was making higher highs and higher lows. But at this point, this is our first lower high, and let's go into 4 hourly time frames. At that 4 hourly, this is a higher low, and this is our first lower low. Let me show you with the Dow theory. This is our higher high, higher low. Again, almost same high, lower low. Again, possibility of lower high. If we see any lower high here, we may short the USD or the or first our first target will be 1.7777 and our next target will be 1.15947. So in this way you can trade the USD. Let's do into hourly time frame. In the hourly time frame, at this Bollinger Band resistance, if you get any red candle closing, you can make the short entry on the Euro USD. Let's discuss few more scripts pairs like New Zealand dollar and USD. So in the NZT USD, as you can see, this is a trend line on the on the support area. If this trend line breaks on the downside, this we can expect some short side momentum up to 0.0026, and there is a high possibility also this will make continuously higher highs and higher lows, because it is still making higher high higher low like this, higher high higher low, again higher high higher low, lower high higher low, almost same high higher low, again higher high. So there is a possibility that it will continue making higher highs and higher lows, but if this lower trend line breaks, there is a possibility of the short momentum. This is a USD JPY making lower highs and lower lows. This is our lower high, lower low, lower high again, lower low, lower high, lower low, continuously making lower highs and lower low. So we can say the USD JPY is currently bearish, and we shouldn't look for the bullishness yet, but what we can look for, the retracement, a little bit of retracement, and then lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, and that could be our opportunity to short USD JPY, because as you can see in the daily time frame, the short candles for the bearish candles are very strong candles. So in this situation, we shouldn't look for buying opportunities. So if you get any buying opportunity, don't enter into USD JPY. Wait for the bearish opportunity. Let's see XAUSD. As you can see, this is our fall, and after that, the gold is making higher highs and higher lows. Even on the shorter time frame, you can see this is making higher highs and higher lows. So don't short XAUSD because considering this as a retracement, wait for the break of this trend line. Wait for this trend line break, and let's see USD CHF. As we had discussed a few days ago, at this point, it is making continuously lower highs and lower lows, and you shouldn't buy on this uptrend. So, which I told you that wait for lower highs and lower lows. This is our first lower high, again lower high, lower low. So, on the hourly time frame, you can see that this is our lower high. Uh, this is our This is our first lower high, again lower low, again lower high, again lower low. So at this point, you could have shorted USD CHF, and as you can see, the previous support could be our target. This is 0.766. So thank you guys, and we are ending today's video. Thank you.